What's poppin' YouTube? OG with me back at it again. I'm on my journey to 2 months max for wolfing. I just want to show you guys how my pattern's looking. I'm shifting my crown from 360 swirl, you can say, to 540 in the back. Because I'm looking on my way, the way they going, that's the right way to do. So if you feel motivated on your brush with me. If you guys want me to do a challenge, this is for my 24 subscribers. If you want me to do a challenge to brush for like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, leave a comment below, give me a thumbs up, give me your feedback, and I'll do the challenge you guys want me to do. I'll brush it down for 30 minutes, you know what I'm saying? I do 10 minutes on one side or whatever. Just leave the comments below, motivate me, you know what I'm saying? Let's grow up, let's get this money, and let's grow a family. I'm about to call the OG gang, you know what I'm saying? The OG gang. So, brush with me. I'm gonna do a small section, soft. This is extra soft. Torino Pro, long bristles, you can see. So, let's get this money, brother. I'm gonna start with my left. By the way, this is my good side. It's my good side too. As you can see right here. What I'm working on, you know. Just bear with me. I'm gonna be alright. I'm brushing all the way from here. You can see my brush where it goes. Stay focused, my peoples. I'm still working on it. I'm trying to get a better camera. I'm using my phone right now. I'm trying to get a light so I can be able to work on my back like this. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of hard because it's kind of dark and I don't want to create more forks. I already got enough forks. Just want to show you my pattern. As you can see, it don't look bad. It's alright, it's decent. Only got one fork, which is down here. Only fork that I got is right here. But I gotta be patient, you know. It's moving, but I gotta be patient. It's gotta move out this way. So I just gotta keep brushing my back, shifting it. So I just gotta be patient, you know what I'm saying? He's gonna come in. Small section I'm doing with you guys, you know what I'm saying? I'm dropping videos, you could say, every week because I work. So every day that I'm off, I make sure I drop one video or short video. You know, you can follow me on TikTok, OG Wavy. You can follow me here on YouTube, the same screen name. So just be there for me. I'll be there for you, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna teach you everything that I know about wave gain and what kind of moisturizer you can use, what kind of oils, what kind of brushes. If you're a beginner, you can check my videos. If you're elite waver, appreciate, salute to you, keep grinding. We all gotta grind. So as you can see, I've been waving for 1 year. I had a 360. Now I got 360 swirl, hybrid. They call it different names. As you can see, I don't got no forks right now. The only fork that I got is right here. I'm still messing with it, but I gotta be patient. That's why I'm wolfing, so I could be able to grow my crown and perfect it more, you see? So remember, your crown takes longer to grow. For me, it takes longer to grow. Some people go fast, some people go slow. So I'm letting my grow right here, and this side right here too, so I could be able to get the wave come in. I used to do high tape, but now I'm doing it low, so I could be able to develop this side. Let's get back to the money. Brush is straightforward. When you brushing, you gotta get the same angles. You cannot tilt the brush. You gotta leave it steady, stiff right there. Don't move it nowhere. If you start it like this, finish like that, because that's when you're gonna create the fork. So as you can see, I'm not going all the way back. I'm going behind my ears. Then I go down. Feel me? Go right here. Put the money right here. Behind your ears. Forward. Could be able to connect. Boom. And I'm gonna switch it up back up. You see? Boom. I'm not moving the brush. I'm just going up and down. I'm gonna go to the top left right here. Boom. You see? I'm taking my time with it too. I'm not really rushing it. I'm not using the whole brush, by the way. It's the only part I'm using. Here, up. It might look like the whole brush, but it's not. It's here, right here, up. And I go here, you see? It looks like I'm using the whole brush, but it's not. We'll go down again. I want to be able to connect the whole thing. See? Now go down. I'm working 3 sections in one. 3 sections in one. See? I'll go up again. There I go. Right here. You see? You guys see it right there. Alright guys, let me know. Write down in your comments, you know what I'm saying, if you like the pattern. I like the pattern. I like the way it goes. I ain't mad at that. If I can get a 360 beehive, I'm gonna get something that's gonna look fire too. So now I'm tapping. It's one trick that I want to show you guys. I call it the tap wave, which is, you see every single wave after you got it already. When your wave's already developed, you could tap it with the crown. Right here, you could tap it and just tap it a little bit. Work each wave individually and just tap it. You don't gotta wait the whole, you don't gotta brush the whole pattern, just single waves. You know, and you just tap it. It'll help you out. You get more definition out of it. Just want to show you guys. Wanted to say it, but you know I couldn't. But now that I'm making the video, you just tap it. Tap, tap, tap. Tap the wave. Tip, pause. With the tip right here, you tap it, and you create more definition out of it. You see? Look, I'm tapping it. I'm not doing a lot of things. I'm just tapping a single wave. You see, you do it. See how it looks? That's it. Take your time with it. Now I'm gonna slant it. You see, look where I'm going. Going straight to the crown, dip. That's what I do, boom. Take my time, go straight to the crown, all the way forward, straight to the crown, all the way forward, all the way forward. You can see my brush, straight forward, straight forward, straight forward. My hair's growing there, so you're not gonna be able to see the pattern like that. Still letting my crown grow. Maybe by next month I get more definition, but now just gotta be patient, keep brushing until the waves start coming in, and hopefully by next month you guys can see my pattern fully. You see? I know you guys can see something at least, right? Right here. No worries, it's gonna get messed up, but later on you can fix it. that I don't got enough hair for my crown yet. Since I'm shifting, you know, it takes time. Then you go here to the rest, boom, all the way to the right, you see? Close to the crown, I'm using the tip. I'm taking my time because I don't want to create fork. Boom, 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 there you go. Top of your ear. This is the way I brush. You know what I'm saying? You gotta find your own way. Then boom, straight downward. Tip of the brush. You just go behind my ear. You can see right here. Behind my ear. That's the way I brush my angles. Down here from the crown left. From your crown right, all the way to your left, behind your ear. Boom. Move forward. What I do after that, change it to my left. Tip, tap, 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 tap. You gotta use your imagination, how you want it to flow. Tap, tap, tap. Little by little. The crown's real sensitive, okay? Take your time when you're doing your crown. It's real sensitive. Alright, take your time with it. Take your time with it, okay? But eventually, it's gonna come in. Be patient, be patient. That's the main key about this. You gotta be patient. Boom. Right here. Right there. Feel me? Look. You guys can see. All right. All right, consistency, man. Stay focused. That's the main key. Stay focused. You already know your pattern. You don't gotta worry about too much because you know where you're going. That's why I brush fast, because I already know. I already know my pattern a little bit. I'm still learning it, but when you get close to your crown, you gotta slow down. That's where it gets sensitive. For your crown, you gotta use pomade. You still gotta get them hands used to it. Alright. Already know, man, with you, baby. See you guys. Take care. Leave your comments below. Good, bad, it don't matter. Still appreciate. I'm out of here.